of the Ontario Business or Act of the Act, federal. You understand? What Act says? Okay, you are making article of incorporation. Look at the Act. I am Act. Federal Act. Federal Act under the CB. CB say before you have to make an article of incorporation, name of the corporation. Doesn't matter name or non-number name. Have you written? Done. Address of the article must be at all times. Address of the article. Okay. Number 3. Directors. Okay. It means we have to build up directors. Aftab bhai?
Yes, sir.
She is writing a
article of incorporation.
And she is bound by the Act. Act before, okay, Act is saying write name of the company, doesn't matter name or non-number name. Address must be at all times. Number 3, directors. Okay, we have to make a directors. Minimum director, any requirement, minimum or maximum?
One minimum. 2.
Okay. Okay. If there was an offering corporation, non-offering corporation, this business book is whole is offering corporation. I have my own corporation, non-offering. You most likely everyone has his own corporation. Every corporation is a non-offering. Offering means we are issuing some shares.
It's a public corporation.
Public corporation. So this is our private corporation. So we are trying to create a public corporation. So in order to establish any public corporation, we have to minimum 3 directors. We have to write in the
Constitution, article of incorporation.
article of incorporation. Name, address, directors. There must be a 3 directors, right? There must be a 3 directors. Just think about it. Who can be a director? My friend? Okay. We are bound by the Act. She is writing a article of incorporation. We all people are here to set up a corporation. We all people are here to creation of the corporation. We are looking at Act. Act is saying name of the right before in the writing in the article of incorporation, right? Name of the corporation. Okay, Aamer or McDonald's, whatever ABC. Address. Number 3 is directors. There must be a 3 directors. Just think about it. My mother can be a director.
If
Yes.
she is a shareholder, then she can become.
If she is
Wrong.
yeah, yes.
Who can become a director? Any qualification by the
It should
minimum
be
requirement
18,
must
yeah.
be
18
must be 18 years old. One requirement must be 18 years old. Must be 18 years old. Second requirement, okay, I'm over the age. He is over the age of 18. Second requirement,
Sound mind.
sound mind. My mother has Parkinson, so it means she cannot become a director. Okay, director. There must be a sound mind. Third one is
Not should be a bankrupt.
not should be a bankrupt. If you are bankrupted, you cannot become a director. Fourth one is individual. Individual. It has to be individual,
Not a company or a
not company. Director has to be individual. For example, no one know me. Ari bhai, no one know me. But my company name is NCA Exam Guru. My NCA Exam Guru, everyone knew, oh, it's an NCA Exam Guru company. That my company to become a director?
No.
No, it has to be an individual. See, but in order to establish joint venture, partnership, become a joint venture. But okay, you are writing an article of incorporation, name is there, address is there, directors, there must be a 3 directors. I want to become a directors, but I am owner of this partnership. My partnership, because I want to promote my partnership as a director. Can I do that?
No.
It has to be
individuals.
individual. Where is okay? Okay, can you read chapter number 19? Okay, 3.2 address.
Under the OBCA, a corporation must at all times have a registered office at the location specified in the articles.
Must mean must.
The location of the registered office can be changed by resolution of the Board of Directors in the case of a change within the same municipality.
So don't worry about it. Then directors.
Both the OBCA and CBCA permit one director to manage and supervise the affairs of the corporation, unless the corporation is an offering corporation, in which case it must have at least 3 directors. Directors must be individuals who are at least 18 years of age, of sound mind, and not bankrupt.
Exam question is a very important, very important. One guy, he is in China. He is over 90 years. He is over 90 years. One guy is in big financial problem. One guy, he is in a big financial problem, which is mean insolvency. Not bankrupt, but it's a more liabilities than less income. But not bankruptcy. Aggregate liabilities are more than assets. Assets are less, liabilities are more. So who can become a owner of the corporation? Answer one is the guy, he has more liabilities than assets. One guy over the age of 90, C or D, don't worry about it, easily rule out. So who can become a owner of the director?
Like the one who's over 90.
Over 90. People always think over 90. Oh, over 90,
But still capable.
but still capable.
Yeah.
Look at Mississauga mayor. She was one over the age of 90, she was still mayor. So she can become a director. Okay. So how, okay, directors. We have done the directors. Then, okay, you are writing a,
Article of incorporation.
have you read name of the corporation? Have you read? Have you read address of the corporation?
Yes.
Have you read 3 directors? 1, 2, 3. There are 4 requirements. Have you read?
Yes.
Now we have to, directors are done in article of incorporation. Now we have to make a decision. We have to make a decision. Okay, because it's a public corporation. How we can establish a public corporation? Issuing a shares. Otherwise, I'm a private corporation. I'm not issuing any share, any security, anything else. But we are creating a corporation, public corporation, issuing a share. What kind of shares do we have in Canada? Any categories of shares?
Yes.
What?
Common and preferred.
Common share and special shares. Preferential share, special. Common share and
Preferred shares.
preferred share, which is called common and preferred, means special. Okay, there are 2 kind of share. Common shares and
Special share, special share.
so what is difference between common share and the special shares?
Voting rights.
Voting right, yeah, voting right, lot of rights.
Shareholders are
Voting right. Okay, I will explain. Common share, just okay, a lot of information I'm gonna provide you, but I'm here to just a basic structure. Common share is common share. Okay, she will become a director. She will become a director. He will become a. 5 people will become a director. We are not owner of the corporation. Once article of incorporation is set up, we're gonna launch our share to the market. So people gonna buy our shares and they will become a owner of the corporation. Okay, if we gonna issue the shares are common shares. If common share, anything gonna be happen with the corporation. Anything gonna be happen with the corporation. Corporation is bankrupt. Corporation is bankrupt. All properties, okay, in a common share, shareholders has lot of power. They are owner of the, they have to elect, they have to select. Common share, everyone has a equal rights. Okay, just I need your eye contact. Common share, you are owner, you are common share. Everyone has a equal rights. Everyone has a equal rights. If you're gonna buy a special share, rights, interest, and privileges would attach with that share. Difference is you are owner of the common share, you are owner of the preferred special share. In common share, everything is equal. What is equal? I will explain in later. You have a special share. in your share